Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick tutorial on gluten-free Russian or Slavic crepes. These are basically a very thin pancake. They're eaten all throughout Europe and Slavic countries, but this is our personal recipe that my mom passed down to me, so I'd just like to share it with you guys. In a large bowl, I add about a half a gallon of milk. Next, I crack about 10 or 12 eggs as it helps hold the crepe together since there is no gluten in these recipes. I sprinkle in a little bit of sugar and salt to taste. About 1 teaspoon of baking soda to get a little rise. And I use a Great Value all-purpose flour or Bob's Red Mill. This one is a little bit cheaper. And this is the thickness of the batter I'm showing here. I might even say that's a little bit too thick, but it's absolutely fine. You just need it a little bit more runny on the pan, so that way it spreads nice and even. But this is a good thickness. And you can see that there's a lot of egg in the batter, so it's a bit nice and golden. Get my pans ready, spray them down, get them nice and hot, and then I'll spray them a second time for non-stick. Here we pour in the batter and lift up the cast iron. It's very heavy and hot, so be careful. Spread the batter throughout the pan. Nice even circle motion. Sorry about the mess. You know when the crepe is ready to be flipped over, when the edges start pulling off of the pan. This part is a little tricky. Be careful as they tend to break a little and rip. So you can see that in that the crepe as I lifted it. So you have to be a little bit more gentle with those, unlike wheat pancakes. And here I'm showing you guys where I messed up a little bit, and so yeah, so that one's a little bit overcooked, but gotta get a nice little brown color. These are very versatile. You can stuff them with cream cheese, ground beef with onions. I mean, there's a lot, jams, butters. You can get really creative with these. They're absolutely wonderful and filling. Here's the end product, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be posting more gluten-free Slavic recipes. Stay tuned.